Hello friends, in this session I'm going to discuss about how to draw a roadmap for adoption of the cloud technology in digital supply chain. As we know, our main focus in today's scenario, we have to move to digitization. Digital supply chain is to have an end-to-end integration about customers' demand and suppliers support along with the manufacturing operation. So we want to have a visibility of end-to-end process. That's what is our objective. Cloud plays a very important role among the all emerging technologies. So I'm going to focus on to that, how we should really look at it of this particular project and what factors we should really look at it and consider it. So my objective over here is to give you a brief idea about how we will define the various factors and their relevant information. We have to really look out for a short-term, mid-term, and a long-term plan, because the digital supply chain or digital transformation is a very complex system. You're looking and integrating customers to suppliers to your manufacturing one location or many more locations and all that. So there are different people who are driving those departments or systems. They have a different ideas, they have a different requirements, either from the business point of view or a technology point of view. So you have to consider all those various factors and parameters, and then think about how we can integrate it. So first and most important thing is that all these business requirements needs to be documented, needs to look at it in the integration. Because presently what we see is that our experience is even today, many companies are still working onto a silo-based solution. So if you have to really have an end-to-end integrated solution, what data will get shared with whom? Like we all discuss with IT and OT, information technology and operation technology. Both have to merge together, both have to get integrated and all that. So that needs to be considered, and considering all these factors, you should really work out and define your cloud strategy. And then again, as I mentioned it to you, short term, mid term, long term is which particular application or which particular operation which you want to drive it, which you feel is more important thing. Like if you look at it, you want to get connected with the customers with the online requirements from his side, then that is a small application which you can focus it on. Or if you feel your procurement is more important and that's really taking more time, and that online connectivity may improve your operational efficiency, so you can look at and think about that. But starting from the short term, mid term, and a long term, you can go on working it out and defining those cloud strategies and all that. Once you have done that, then you have to select the cloud platform. There are various cloud service providers are there, and how you can collaborate with them, how you can select with their thing, how you can adopt, how you can finalize the commercial and see the benefits. So which is what is the next step, which you should really look at it in selecting those cloud platforms. Then comes the IT optimization. See, today what we see is that you may have more than one system, and practically what is my observation is that many companies have many more systems parallelly running it and all that. The same data is getting transferred into another solution and then checked up and all that. there are a lot of duplications, there are possibilities of having the mistakes and all that. So you have to really look at it and optimize all those your both hardware or a software side of it. And then that will also reduce the workload onto your manual processes of capturing and entering the data and all. As I mentioned, discussed earlier also, your IT and OT needs to get integrated, and that will do the IT optimization and all that. And it will also definitely reduce the both cost of maintaining the hardware also and cost of capturing the data and processing also. Then you have to draw a plan of migrating the application. As I mentioned it earlier, is that you want to focus it out of connecting the customers online. So you select that particular application and see how it can be improved. Now, migrating to cloud is one part of it, but using cloud to the great ability or great capabilities like adoption of connecting with the mobile, connecting with artificial intelligence, connecting with machine learning. These are the things which cloud can really help you and support it to you. So migrating just an application is not a focus or not an idea, but how that data is going to help you a lot in your decision making. So analyzing that is the next step, which I mentioned. It is analyzing that performance for your business innovation. It is a critical thing. So cloud is not just a thing. We have to really look at it holistically, how we can really move from old legacy system to the new digital system is a key area, key factor, which is going to drive your digital supply chain. And that will help you to design and create your new business models actually. The business model are possible at every operation level. It may be on distribution side, it may be on procurement side, it can be on the manufacturing side, it may be on the planning side also. So that is how this new business models will drive the whole thing of cloud migration, cloud adoption, and using cloud as a tool to achieve excellence and all. So I tried to discuss this concept of cloud and its a roadmap of using it into digital supply chain. If you have any doubts, queries, you need more information, feel free to contact us. We are always there to help you and solve your problems and help you to optimize your performance and achieve excellence. My contact details are there. Feel free to call us, contact us. Feel free to subscribe our channel so that more in such inputs will be available to you continuously. Share your thoughts and comments or suggestions also. Thank you. Bye.